Proving yourself, the path to personal triumph. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, proving yourself. It's a term you might have heard in movies, read in books, or even encountered in daily conversations. But what does it actually mean? Let's unpack this together and explore how you can use it to express personal growth and achievement. Proving yourself means demonstrating your abilities, qualities, or worth, especially when they have been doubted. It's about showing others, and often yourself, that you are capable of overcoming challenges and achieving goals. This phrase carries a sense of determination and resilience, as it's commonly used in contexts where someone needs to overcome skepticism or adversity. You might encounter the term proving yourself in various scenarios. For instance, 1. In the workplace, an employee might feel the need to prove themselves when starting a new job or after receiving a promotion. 2. In personal relationships, sometimes, individuals feel they need to prove their loyalty, love, or commitment to their partners or friends. 3. In competitive situations, athletes or artists often talk about proving themselves in competitions or performances, highlighting their skills and dedication. To fully grasp the usage of proving yourself, let's look at some example sentences. 1. After being underestimated by her colleagues, Sarah dedicated herself to proving herself by leading a successful project. 2. The young athlete is not just competing for the title but is also proving himself to his coach and team. 3. In his first role as a director, he felt the pressure of proving himself to the film industry. Proving yourself can be an emotionally charged journey. It often involves motivation, the drive to show your worth, challenge, facing doubts or skepticism from others or within yourself, triumph, the satisfaction and confidence gained after successfully proving your capabilities. It's important to recognize that the desire to prove oneself can be a powerful motivator, but it's equally crucial to ensure that it comes from a healthy place and leads to personal growth rather than unnecessary stress. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and use of proving yourself. Remember, it's a phrase that encapsulates the journey of demonstrating your worth and abilities, often in the face of challenges. We hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English and understanding the nuances of its phrases. Keep proving yourself in your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.